The ball away, now a chance for Neymar. Neymar in the area. Neymar was the Barcelona man in the middle. Casemiro with the touch. The back heel by Charlie. Lots of pressure on his shoulders. Here's a good burst by the 19-year-old. Able to get around. Now the chance inside for Richarlison. Sails over the cross. Now drops it back for Eder Militao. Militao, long range. No, maybe Pedro Flamengo if he impresses in these friendlies. Very strange. Neymar with some great footwork. Now Vinicius Jr. inside. The left-footed shot goes wide. A chance for Lucas Paquetá. Rafinha, left-footed service, swerving in, the header, it's over the line! And Brazil take the lead in the 9th minute. And Marquinhos. Area to his right, Vinicius cutting back to his left, then back to the shot to his right, deflection off of Neymar and into the very good passer as well. That's some beautiful movement down the left side. Now a chance for Ghana. Top of the penalty area, and look at Suleiman as well, but they go near post and it's headed out. Here is the goal scorer Marquinhos, drops it back to Alex Telles, the Sevilla man. Just on the left side, right footed outside of the boot to serve. Vinicius cutting inside to his right. Delicate chance to shot for Rafinha with the overhead. This Odoi, the Belgian base right back. He passes it to Jordan Ayew, and now a foot race. It's there to Neymar. Neymar and Neymar across. Now cutting inside, Rafinha with a burst. Fenergian. Casemiro to Rafinha, back to Neymar. Neymar gets fouled. Long range here. Casemiro! Michel Wosu as well. Back to Thiago Silva. Line splitting past Jordan Ayew, maybe holding the ball a little too long. Dribbling ability. Oh, good turn there by Neymar for Richarlison. Goal! One-touch finish by Richarlison de Andrade, and it is played in the space they're trying to connect with ball next season. Neymar, bit of a fight back position. Odoi pinned on the sideline there, but Chivini into space. Paquetá over the top. In the group with Portugal, Uruguay, and South Korea, or Korea Republic. With Neymar and Lucas Paquetá, the freedom. See what happens here. Neymar, near post, and it's over the line! And it's Thiago Silva with the header, and it's 3-0 for Brazil. Goal with his right foot. He's got a goal with his head. He gets another goal with the left foot. He'll have the perfect. Sees the run through for Paquetá. Save Walcott. The second chance by Rafinha is the. Two defensive block. Odoi going forward, putting pressure on Vinicius. And now Bremer will replace Thiago Silva in the defense. Sees yellow. This one lifted over the top, almost falling for Rafinha. Iñaki Williams, the center forward. Mateus Cunha with Atletico coming in. Right-footed effort, maybe more respect playing for Ghana. Paquetá, look like shoulder. Far post, Alisson, 22 years of age. Alex Telles to Neymar. Mistake for Neymar, in which his first touch betrays him a little bit. Here's Iñaki Williams with the chance, it's blocked. And Bremer, Odoi with the service in, over the head of everyone. Ayew one-on-one against Vinicius. Vinicius tried to drop it back to Neymar. Pass behind and up. And Kofi Kieré, I should say, recovers it, gets it to Neymar. Neymar twists. And swinging the header. One-on-one against Bremer. The shot goes wide. And Andre Ayew had scored that goal. Would have been goal number 24. Still would have had Al-Assad man. Playmaker. Here's Neymar. And the touch by Anthony, the Manchester United man. Fabinho. This one over the top. Otto Addo did his tactics right before the great tournament as Neymar. Back, but still excellent footwork. 17. Yeah. Well, 8. Williams held the ball for too long. Lamte with the shot. Now an opportunity down the right side for Rafinha. Maybe another quarterfinal run. From right to left here for Brazil. Service approach here. There's Paquetá. Dropping it back to Alex Telles. Left-footed service inside. Neymar. Tries to go through the legs of Owusu. Rodrigo. Beautiful move by Neymar. Neymar driving. Neymar still with it. Neymar with the shot, and it's kept out by Wallacott. Service in the header, going just over the bar there. The left, excuse me, and Anthony has moved over to the right. It's a good through ball here. Chance for Rodrigo. Rodrigo! Denied by Wallacott. The follow is over the crossbar. It's in the World Cup for the number 15 for Brazil. Here's the left-footed shot, and Wallacott. Anthony cutting into his left. Rahman. Inside for William. Back to Andre Ayew. Oh, smooth back here. Odoi in the space now. Odoi goes down, and it's going to be. See that. Mateus Cunha in that center 3 by Otto Addo. Now a battle. Semenyo, Owusu, and Lamte. Lucas Paquetá. Almost got it into Anthony, but connect with him. Jordan over the top. Ghana have a couple more friendlies. They have out. Marte giving away. Neymar. Have to love that. Now Rodrigo with the burn. Rodrigo back to Neymar. Back to Rodrigo. Almost got that faced up. Now lifting it over the top for Rodrigo. Salisu coming over.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بكم في فيديو جديد. إن شاء الله فيديو النهاردة هديك شوية نصايح علشان إزاي تعرف تتعامل مع الحمام بتاعك في فصل الشتاء. لو أنا كنت بأكل الحمام في الصيف الساعة مثلا 10 أو الساعة 11 أو الساعة 12، وفي الشتاء بأكله الساعة 9 مثلا، وآخر النهار بأكله الساعة 5، ده في الصيف. طبعا في الشتاء كلنا عارفين إن الحمام أو الطيور أو الإنسان أو أي كائن حي بيحتاج ان هو ياكل كتير جدا في الشتاء، لان طبعا الجو نفسه بيخلي ان اي كائن حي يبقى جعان باستمرار وعايز ياكل باستمرار. فطبعا في الوقت ده الحمام بيجوع، فلازم ان احنا نغير من مواعيد الكلفه بتاعه الحمام. يعني لو احنا كنا بناكل الحمام في الصيف الساعه 12، هنبدا ان احنا نغير المواعيد دي ونخلي ان الحمام يفطر مثلا الساعه 9 او الساعه 10 كاقصى حد. بالنسبه لاخر النهار لو كنا بناكل في الصيف الساعه 5، لازم ناكل بعد العصر مباشره او الساعه 3 اخر النهار. المهم ما يكونش قبل المغرب، علشان طبعا احنا عارفين ان في الشتاء النهار قصير والليل بيكون طويل. لو انت عندك لمبه مثلا زي انا ما عندي كده في الاوضه، ممكن عادي تشغل اللمبه بالليل الساعه 10 او الساعه 11، وممكن تديهم وجبه اضافيه. طبعا لو كان تحت الحمام زغاليل دي هتبقى كويسه جدا جدا للحمام بتاعك. وبرده الحمام في الوقت ده لو احنا قدمنا له اكل الساعه 11 بالليل هياكل عادي مفيش اي مشاكل، وده احنا كنا اتكلمنا عنه قبل كده. فعلشان تقدر تستفاد من فيديو النهارده لازم ان انت ما تجوعش الحمام بتاعك باستمرار، علشان خاصة لو في زغاليل تحت الحمام، وده طبعا بيساعد ان الحمام بينتج اكتر عندك، لان انت كل ما بتغذي الحمام بتاعك كويس كل ما بينتج عندك اكتر وبيشتغل عندك اكتر وباستمرار. وبكده نكون وصلنا لنهاية فيديو النهارده. لو عجبك الفيديو ما تنساش تشترك في القناة وتفعل زر التنبيهات عشان يوصلك كل جديد فيديوهاتنا ان شاء الله. شكرا جدا لكم والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.